to the RC Barn. I'm your host, Mike. It's a pleasure to have you here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I've been building and flying model airplanes for over 35 years, and I like to bring you guys along for the journey, maybe teach you guys a few hints and tricks. And like I said, always, watch me and then do what you like to do. So anyways, for our next live stream build, we have chosen to do the Sig Fazer in a community post. So this is something that you guys wanted to see get built. I want to thank Tom for bringing this kit to me and let me build it and enjoy it. Certainly going to do that, and super excited about this one. It should be a lot of fun. Haven't built a Sig Fazer in many years. I wonder if I still even have a picture of the first one I built way back in like 1993 or whatever, 91 or whatever it was. Anyways, we are going to we got a couple of engine choices for the build. A Magnum 74 stroke or an S&H 37 gas glow engine. If you have not heard about S&H engines, you can get them from MikeGoesFlying.com. They are a glow engine that is designed to run on gas. So I haven't had one before. I have one here. Might be a fun experiment with this guy. It's well within the power requirements of the Sig Fazer, but it will definitely require two different styles of builds, depending on what engine we go with, because the Magnum 70 is a little heavier. So we'll have to make that determination before Saturday. So go over to the community post and vote for your favorite engine, which direction you would like to see this in. We're going to, of course, do some pretty heavy mods to this to bring it up to the 21st century and make it a fun to fly, probably more in the 3D realm of flying, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not a 3D pilot, but bigger control surfaces and some carbon fiber will be used in this build. So anyways, please join us Saturday nights at 8 o'clock Eastern time for the live stream. If you can't catch it during the live, feel free to watch it. Feel free to watch it afterwards, like something extra build. And if you do want to do a build, if you do want to build along with me, you can get a short kit of the Sig Fazer from Balsa Workbench, and the plans are available online. So anyways, join me for this. This is going to be a fun build. After the Sig Fazer is built, we will get into our scratch build project. So anyway, stick around, and we'll see you guys Saturday night at 8 o'clock.
Like I started it like a month ago, and I played